All right, so anyway, the PIP cable that we supply, it's going to hook up to the distributor. It's going to go black, red, blue from left to right. It's going to run here underneath the intake. It'll go back up to the firewall here. It'll go around to the dryer. Shall I get a closer look right here? It'll come right in here in this main harness. It'll run right down through here underneath the box. And I've actually got mine underneath the box, and it goes back through the hole here going to the headlight. And then if you look down in there, you'll see where my kit is on here, and it's on the fender brace. And we can look underneath the car here. I jacked it up just for you, and I mounted it right under there. So here there's a fender brace right here, okay, 2 bolts, one there and one, you can see my finger, one right there. So all you got to do is take that brace off, drill it, mount your heat sink to it, and you're pretty much done. Now this stays dry. You can see there's no water spots, no nothing. You know, it's just in a nice little dry location where it gets air.